back time na kaya na ba talunin ng Alaska ang San Miguel? Siyempre, di ba pwede yung beer na nun? Siyempre, may import na tayo ngayon. Alam niyo, pag si Tinang nagsasalita, i-roll niyo lang yung highlights. Swak yan. Swak na swak yan. Tingnan mo. Noong first quarter, medyo nagpakitang gilas na yung Edwards eh. No? Pero mamayang konti, eto, ginanahan na yung Tyler eh.
In this game, never naglamang ang Alaska. They never had the lead.
Not at all, wala.
You know, it's very clear that in this game, yung kakulangan ni Edwards, no, because he's not able to set up his own shot. He needs to be able to set up by his teammates. Yung nakikita natin kung anong mga ginagawa ni Chris Ross. Nakakuha pa ng offensive rebound in a putback. And then slicing through the lane was Tyler Wilkinson, who was just awesome and dominant.
Samantala sa third quarter, ito, nag-umpisa ng humiwalay ang kupunan ng San Miguel. Bagamat si Abueva sinubukan painitin ang sinaing. Pero ito, grabe si Arvin Santos. Ang tataas ng lobo ng tira. Akala ko all Pampanga show na ito, pero si Arvin at si Cabagnot ang nanaig doon sa third quarter na yun.
Manageable pa ang lead na yun. That was a 14-point lead. And 13-point contribution combined for Manuel at saka si Abueva in that quarter. But ito, nag-init si Alex Cabagnot and Chris Ross. Sabi nga niya kanina, he was locating his open teammates and just finding them at their spots.
Boom! Kagaya nun. At lahat nakinabang sa ganda ng laro ni Chris Ross.